Tell me about what we got going on here. Talk us through
right here we got moose tracks, but right here, wolf track. Over here, moose track, and wolf track right here. That's right here's a good one. Right there. Good.
So we are in wolf country and moose country.
Oh, got him! Oh, I got him, Johnny.
Oh, look at me. Very small. And here's our fish for the day. There you go, buddy. Thanks.
We decided we would stay at this confluence campsite for 2 nights. Unfortunately, and we think due to the unseasonable warmth the previous weeks, the fish had pushed further upstream. Here, and further downriver, the brook trout just got smaller and smaller. However, we also caught walleye and northern pike along the way using spinners, so that was fun too.
The $1 million question. What will they bite? We'll try this bad boy. Got him. Not very big. Second fish of the day. Anyway, thank you.
Filming in nature has quite a few challenges. A drone that seems to sometimes think for itself, with perhaps a little pilot error thrown in, just adds to the fun.
Oh, it's a drone. The drone went in the river. At least I found it. I tried to chase it down. I fell in the river. Bobbed down the river. Searched for it, gave up. Walked back up. Found it submerged. It hit the branch up in the river up there, and then it got caught up in this tree, and it got completely disoriented, and it dropped here. And I thought it was going to just keep going downstream, so I was really thinking, please at least find it, because maybe there's a chance that I can dry it out. So we'll see. And I got really lucky that it just sank right away and hung up on the rock. And I came and it was about 2 feet under the water for a few minutes. Water and drones, they don't mix. I got back to camp, let it dry in the sun for a little bit, and then plugged it in, sent it up, and it worked. But there's moisture in the lens, but here we are trying to dry it out. I'm optimistic. I think sleeping pads are not supposed to be like that in the morning. I've got a leak. The ground's hard, but more importantly, the ground's really cold. Got one. Oh. Fish a day.
That was a 4-foot sturgeon we saw.
We were coming to the top of this rapids, and right to the right of the canoe was 4 to 5 foot fish. I've never seen anything like, and John tells me it's a sturgeon, and they're like prehistoric.
Attitude mode. Fly with caution.
Oh, Johnny, I broke my sleeve.
Jeez.
Landing. Make sure landing area.
I don't want to talk about it right now. Just flying the drone over the river, trying to get some aerial shots. Got stuck in the top of a tree, so we're going to chop the tree down to rescue it. Oh my gosh.
We're hoping it's in this tree.
Got it.
Fly in well lit, textured environments.
We're done. Glad we chose the right tree. You see that fish jump? Big. Dolphins in Hawaii big. I don't want to catch anything that big. Will you take it off the hook for me? I thought I was guided. This is our final campsite. It's time to do some work on this thing. There she is. Found it. All right, so I've got my field repair, some Tyvek tape, some scissors for the Tyvek tape, and a little stick. Assets. We'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Well, didn't work. It held, but this is not probably what it's supposed to be when you sleep on it. That wasn't great. It was nice. We've been out fishing in the rain below the rapids. The pilot said that tomorrow morning might be socked in and that this afternoon might be better. Today might be our last day, unfortunately. I like being out here away from everything. I hate to go back to civilization. When I'm there, I wish I was out here. Caught my fish a day, pulling the boat around. Woo! My guide's gonna take the hook out. I got it in a good spot at least.
28 inch probably. That's a nice fish. There you go. I'm up one.
That's it. I love when I have DEET on my hands and then I stick them in my mouth. That's really great.